Hi, Professor. This is Nidia Apostle. Today is Sunday, one day before the 16th, so that will be November 13th. This is the continuation of our experiment of aseptic technique and the growth of microbes. So I'm going to turn the camera. The first thing is I am going to take out my samples, and I kind of keep it warm in a little kind of like a blanket because it was hard for me to keep the 37 degrees that we needed it, or the appropriate temperature for the samples. So let's get the samples out. And the first thing I'm going to do, so here I have my gloves, so we are able to handle the samples. I'm going to put the E. coli in one side. I'm going to get the other sample. This will be the epidermidis, and this is the gist. So as you can see, the gist was very successful. I was able to get a lot of the growth bacteria that we were looking for. If you turn it to the other side, you can see the growth of the bacteria. So that is the microbe of the gist, or Cerevisiae. And then this is the E. coli. The E. coli, I have very, very limited, almost nothing of the growth. I don't know if you can appreciate it right there. Very little in the bottom, right there. Right there, a very little growth. And then I have the epidermidis. That one I am successful just with one little colony that is right here in the corner. And then you can see the other ones right there. So just one right here in the corner, that's one colony that I was able to do. Nothing in the side. This is the E. coli, which is almost nothing. And then of course the gist, which grow magnificent well. So this is the continuation. Trying to think about what can I do better in this particular experiment. I think that I give an extra 24 hours to let the microbe to grow. I think that the weather is not to my favor. My house does not have insulation, so it's really cold here. And I believe that I didn't have the correct temperature. And I think that's one of the reasons that I didn't have that much of the growth bacteria. And the other reason is I'm thinking maybe there was not enough transfer of the microbe to the plates. With that said, I think that for future experiments, maybe I can improve it as being sure that I have a good amount of the transfer to maybe buy an incubator to have the proper temperature. Okay, until the next video, this one was the aseptic technique with the microbe growth and the place sample of how the bacteria was grown. Okay, thank you. Again, this is Nidia Apostle. This is our week 2.